Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here to share my planned kits for May. So we have 4 weeks that predominantly show up in May, so that's the 4 kits I'm going to be sharing today. The first week is May 2nd through the 8th, and so we have Cinco de Mayo in there, so I thought it would be fun to use a kit that kind of fits with that. This is from Miso Art Cafe. I've never used a kit from that shop, but I thought this was super cute and avocado themed, which feels perfect for Cinco de Mayo. And also it's a 1-page kit, but it really has most everything I need. I need to add some bottom washi and probably a couple of like work stickers and things like that. But most of the stuff that I'm going to need to do at least my initial spread is all included in this 1 page. You also get hydration trackers and mood trackers, which will be interesting to add. I don't usually put those, but I think that'll be fun. So I'm excited to use this one. During the second week, which is May 9th through the 15th, I think. I don't really have any specific theme for that week, but I thought it would be fun to use something that's cheerful and colorful since it's starting to finally get to spring weather, hopefully by then. So this is from Planner Problem. It's called Spa Night. This is just the first page. This is all I ever use from her kits. But I love these colors, super cheerful and fun. I'll add some headers and some bottom washi and a bunch of things from my stash, and then get to use a bunch of boxes. The EC vertical version has a ton of boxes here, which I find to be super useful, plus some flags. So definitely have everything I need there. During the third week, that's May 16th through the 22nd, I am going to use another kit from Lovely Planner. Again, there's nothing specific going on that week, but I still wanted something fun and springy. I know I just used some gnomes from a Lovely Planner kit for Easter, but I can't resist these ones with coffee. I just think they're so cute. And I love them, and I love her kits because they're pretty easy to use. I just need a washi along the top, some bottom washi, a few icons, and I'm good to go. So I will definitely be using this kit as well, and I just think it's fun and perfect for this time of year. And then the last week of May is May 23rd through the 29th. This week is my sister's fiance's birthday. He loves flamingos, and while I know that's not all of his personality or anything like that, I do feel like the end of May is also a really great time to be using flamingo themed kits because they feel kind of summery, and it's the start of summer, Memorial Day weekend, all of that good stuff. So this kit is from Pretty Planner Printables, which is a Pinterest account. She doesn't have a website or anything like that, but it's flamingo / tropical themed, and I thought this would be super fun to use for that week. Get that first week of summer kind of vibes going on, even if it doesn't quite feel like summer yet some of the time. But I think this will be a really fun kit to use. So that's all I really have for today. I'm excited to be using these kits. I think it'll be super fun and cheerful and colorful. So you'll see in the coming weeks on my channel using all of these in Plan With Me's. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I appreciate it. It helps me out. Also, let me know what kits you're using for May. And while you're at it, if you already know what kits you're using for June, also helpful. Definitely starting to plan that as well. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You can see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops. You'll see the spreads with these in there eventually as well. I also show bits and pieces of what I'm reading, things going on in my life, stuff like that. And until next time, bye.